Taco bad.
Taco guy?
Taco place.
No, Taco Tiki? Tiki Taco? Yeah.
I just wrote a girl. Just really want to miss the girl. I gotta miss the Anna anyways. Now I gotta
Miss
miss.
me? Where are you going? Huh?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hey! What's up, my baby? How you doing today? You good? Good to see you.
I wrote her fire 50.
Hey, I heard through the grapevine that you're moving away.
You're moving. Where are you going?
She had a pretty puff. I put fire 50. You?
When are you moving?
I don't know.
You don't know? You better not move.
Well, it's too late now. There's too many bad people. I hate Troy, you're not a good person, and I'm not gonna see Arnhem and look at the beautiful and that Popeye picture.
When are you moving? Todd, what day are you moving?
Oh my god, it's moving.
Hey!
Why are you stalking me?
Oh,
Why are you stalking me?
Todd, what day are you moving?
tomorrow, guys.
Huh?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Are you still gonna come here?
I don't know.
Better. You better.
Talking.
You keep looking at my account?
Now that Popeye picture in this beautiful face.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know, it's funny. What's going on? No Caitlin looking either. That's two Caitlin, that's her.
Where are you moving to?
KOA.
Huh? KOA? HOA? Unless I'm like shaving and then I like really find like a day or something or try to shave it and not walk. But like if I don't grow out, it's like.
How are you?
Caitlin here. Part of these.
Hi, Todd. Hi, Todd. How are you?
Wow, busy train going.
Yes.
Takeaways, number 101. Last day here. Last day.
It's your last day? Where are you going?
I don't know.
We're about to Margate. Margate, I know Margate. Yeah.
You can just say Margate, New Jersey.
Yeah, Margate.
And there's a Margate.
I was born up in Montclair. And then in 55, my parents decided to buy a new home. So they bought it to Cranford. My grandmother had a lot of money from Europe. So she bought it.
Do you want to sit in an actual stool?
Oh,
Yeah, stool.
yeah. So
Here. Thank you. I got a movie right over there.
I'm sure. There's 20 people in the place. I miss you so much.
What about, you said something about Okeechobee. Yeah? Okay. You're so cute.
Yeah.
Hi. How are you? Being good? Good.
Miss you.
I miss you too. It's nice seeing you.
Hello. What's up, Tosh? How you doing? You having a better day today? Yeah. Good.
Oh, look at this. I'm gonna drink 108. The last time you 108. Yeah.
Water? Water?
No.
It's hot.
Too much water. Big fat enough.
Never. Okay, so is that the Checking the Oscars. Who's that for?
Go to good next. There's even a BBW. Oh, really? It just make no sense. One song.
Well, I asked Sarah
Rachel.
about the shared plate charge because I had two tables, not order any apps, no drinks, and share an entree. So I had three. Also, I had
Gabrielle, Rachel.
where nobody ate except for the one chick, and she got how so I'm like, if you sit for over 2 hours and your bill is $50, $25,
Gabrielle.
$20 minimum.